Hey guys, back for another video of Vinny Reviews It. We just finished up a video on my grill cover and we are now checking out my Weber E-210 grill. This is a propane gas grill. This is also an Amazon affiliate review, so any sales that we get through the link that we provide in the description, we get a small commission. Does not cost you anything, but it does help the channel keep rolling to make more videos like this. So we do all the tough work for you. We review products and we test them. And as I said in my previous video, whenever I do a review, it's not on something I just buy and review it for the sake of reviewing it. It's products that I use every day or I use a lot, and that they hold up and they're worth the money. So this Weber grill is no exception. Let's just check it out. So it's the E-210. When you get it, you do have to assemble it. You have to put the sides on, you have to put the hardware on, the wheels, the frame. It's very well documented. There's plenty of instructions. Now, they do make different models. So this is the E-210. They make the E-310, or the only difference is this is a 2-burner propane grill, and the centerpiece in here, I'll show you, I'll lift this up. There's no grill in the center. A lot of people, I looked at reviews when I was buying this, they said, oh, it doesn't work that good. It doesn't make even heat. I've been grilling for a long time. I had no issues with this grill. I also like that it's only a 2-burner because I get a long time out of my 20-pound propane tank. I basically can go almost the whole season. And during the summer months when it's warm out, I grill at least 2 to 3 times a week. So that's plenty good for me. The only thing that's different between this and the E350 or the E310 is it has 3 burners, and this one side piece is not fixed. It's a fold down. To me, it doesn't make a difference. I actually like that this does not fold down because it's very sturdy and I don't have to worry about it collapsing. If I didn't lock it in place, that it will stay. It's like a crinkly finish. It's very durable. Wipes up when you get grease and stuff on here. So down here is where you put your propane tank. It has a grease tray under here. I usually just put aluminum foil in there, and I think you can buy those disposable aluminum trays. They have really small ones that may just fit in there. This way you just take that whole thing and throw it in the trash after a while when it gets kind of yucky, because it's not easy to clean. It does not come with the 20-pound tank. You have to buy the tank separately. This is just the light I have on here for nighttime. It turns on, and it also has a pin catch in the back to hold this so it stays steady. This is a magnetic door. It's electronic ignition, so I'll just turn it on for you. So just opening up the grill, and just press it in, and it ignites. Same thing on the other side. And like I said, guys, I had no issues with just the 2 burners. It gives a nice even heat. And sometimes you want to cook with indirect heat. I do like to grill a lot, and sometimes I don't want something directly under the flame, so I actually like that this center section is not under a burner. I can just put my other food here that I want to cook slowly to get the indirect heat so it doesn't burn. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. This is a great grill. It's got a temperature gauge on here. The only thing that this grill does not have, that maybe some of the higher end grills have, it does not have a gas gauge to let you know how much propane you have left. And I know that can be an issue sometimes when you're grilling, if all of a sudden you run out of gas and you don't have another grill, a grill tank ready to go and the stores are closed. But you actually can weigh your tank on a scale if you have a scale in your house, and it'll give the formulation of tell you how many pounds the tank weighs, and it'll tell you how many pounds of propane you have left in it. Usually you'll start seeing it doesn't get as hot. But anyway, guys, hopefully like, subscribe. and share these videos. And please, if you're going to buy this grill, it is a great grill. I really like it. Please use the link in the description. Help keep the channel rolling. And we'll see you guys all on the next video. And this is for Vinny Reviews It.